Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to drive a car that blends pure luxury with smart, everyday practicality? Well, the 2026 KGM Chairman is here, and it might just change the way you think about city commuting and highway cruising. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this car isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a smart investment for anyone living in the USA or across Asia, whether you're in Japan, Singapore, or Thailand. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to be asking yourself if this is the car you've been waiting for. Let's start with the price. In the USA, the 2026 KGM Chairman starts around $72,000. That's competitive when you look at the luxury segment, especially considering everything this car brings to the table. In Japan, you're looking at roughly 9.5 million yen, and in ASEAN countries like Thailand or Malaysia, the price lands around $70,000 to $75,000 depending on import taxes. So, straight away, it's clear KGM is aiming to offer luxury and tech at a price point that makes sense globally. Now, let's talk fuel efficiency because, let's be honest, no one wants a luxury car that guzzles gas. The KGM Chairman comes with an impressive hybrid option. On city roads, you can expect around 28 miles per gallon, and on the highway, it jumps to 35 miles per gallon. For a large sedan with all-wheel drive and a powerful engine, that's excellent. If you're comparing it to a Toyota Avalon hybrid or even a top-tier Honda Accord hybrid, the Chairman holds its own, often giving slightly better mileage thanks to smart, regenerative braking and efficient engine tuning. And here's a huge perk: maintenance costs. KGM has made it clear that this car is designed for everyday drivers. Routine maintenance, like oil changes, brake pads, and filters, is priced competitively. Think about $400 to $500 per year for regular servicing in the USA. Parts are readily available, and KGM has been expanding its service network in major Asian cities, so whether you're in Los Angeles, Tokyo, or Jakarta, getting your car serviced won't be a headache. Insurance costs also sit comfortably within the range of other luxury sedans, averaging $1,500 to $2,000 annually depending on your coverage. Let's shift gears and talk about performance because that's what really makes a car feel alive. Under the hood, the 2026 Chairman offers a smooth V6 engine, paired with a hybrid electric system. In simple terms, that means effortless acceleration in the city, without constantly hitting the gas pedal. Stop-and-go traffic? No problem. The electric motor assists during low-speed driving, making your commute quieter, smoother, and surprisingly fuel-efficient. On the highway, you get a steady, confident ride. Passing slower cars is easy, and highway merges feel safe thanks to a well-tuned suspension and responsive steering. It's not a sports car, but it doesn't need to be. It's designed for smart, stress-free driving on real roads, which is exactly what makes it ideal for American cities with traffic congestion. Now, resale value is always something to think about when you're investing in a luxury sedan. The KGM Chairman holds up surprisingly well. Thanks to its hybrid powertrain and high-quality build, depreciation is slower than you'd expect in this segment. Compare that to a Honda Accord or even a Toyota Avalon. The Chairman is competitive, and in some Asian markets, it's actually ahead because hybrids are in high demand. If you ever decide to sell or trade it in, you'll likely get a solid return, which is something luxury buyers care about more than ever. One of the smartest features of this car is how it balances luxury with tech that actually makes life easier. The cabin is spacious and quiet, making city commutes and highway drives feel effortless. The infotainment system is intuitive, and the hybrid indicators give real-time feedback on how to maximize fuel savings. If you're someone who's tired of cars that look luxurious but are complicated to use, the Chairman is a breath of fresh air. Let's talk about ownership costs for a moment. Beyond maintenance and insurance, the car is designed to be affordable to keep running. The hybrid system reduces fuel expenses, the durable brakes last longer thanks to regenerative braking, and parts availability is strong across major cities. You won't be hunting for rare components or paying a premium at every service visit. This is a luxury car that feels practical every single day. Now I know what you're thinking. How does it stack up against Toyota and Honda? In a nutshell, if you compare it to the Avalon or the top trim Accord, the KGM Chairman offers more space, more advanced hybrid tech, and a quieter, more refined ride. Toyota and Honda are known for reliability, but the Chairman matches that with an elevated luxury experience. So you're not just getting reliability, you're getting comfort and tech that makes life easier. And here's the kicker: why this car is smart for USA roads. Traffic jams, long commutes, stop-and-go city driving, and highway cruising are all handled effortlessly. The hybrid system reduces fuel costs during traffic-heavy city driving, the smooth suspension keeps you comfortable on long stretches, and the steering is tuned for both urban maneuverability and highway stability. Simply put, it's a car that understands real-life driving conditions, not just test track numbers. To sum it all up, the 2026 KGM Chairman is a car that combines luxury, intelligence, and practicality. It's efficient without compromising performance, cost-effective without sacrificing quality, and refined without feeling complicated. Whether you're in the USA or anywhere across Asia, it's a car that makes sense, not just for driving, but for daily ownership. You get a stylish, smooth ride, fuel efficiency, reasonable maintenance, and solid resale value. It's smart, it's practical, and it feels premium every single day. So if you're thinking about upgrading your sedan or stepping into luxury for the first time, the 2026 KGM Chairman deserves your attention. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like, because we'll be bringing more detailed reviews, real-life test drives, and ownership insights that you won't want to miss. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned for what's coming next.